1001, deuxième, owned by propriété de Blondin Alpha, SKYLINE-RED, owned by propriété de Andrew and Joel McEwen. Third, number 1004, troisième, number 1004, MILKSOURCE, TIERNEY-RED, owned by propriété de CLARKVALLEY, Holsteins, BUTLERVIEW, and PIERRE.
It's a nice start to the milking portion of our show today. Starting off with the class is extremely well balanced effort. Cow just so strong and blending of her parts. Cow possesses the best udder in the class today. She's just so much more deeper and open about that rib today. I get definite advantage in that strength of the forudder attachment. There's a definite advantage in the median suspensory ligament. Just the way she walks around her udder today. Taking nothing away from this beautiful dairy and silky cow we have here in second. Just a young cow, I'd like to see develop on a little further. She goes over cow in third. We're just showing a little more desirable silkiness to that udder today. A little stronger in the forudder and has a definite advantage in the height of the udder above the hocks today over this open rib cow in third. Third over fourth, this cow shows a definite advantage being longer in that floor attachment. Just more desirable that team placement, more desirable the way she walks.